In the tragic death case and in mysterious circumstances of the judge in Dhanbad, the Supreme Court has now taken a suo motu cognizance, taking up with this case over protecting and safeguarding the judges. Now remember, there was a CCTV footage that had surfaced that showed there was a judge, a Sessions Court judge in Jharkhand who was out for a morning walk. Take a look at that visual on your screen. An auto rickshaw, otherwise going straight, suddenly swerves to the left. That happened on Wednesday. It hit him, he falls. There was a serious, severe head injury that he received, and then he was declared brought dead to the hospital. The auto rickshaw rammed the judge, drives off. Driver has been arrested. He's claiming my auto rickshaw was stolen the previous night. Anisha Mathur, our legal correspondent, with all the latest. Anisha, it's important that the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance in it, but what happens now? How does this go forward legally?
Well, Pooja, the Jharkhand High Court is already monitoring the matter on a daily basis. Yesterday, that is Thursday morning, the SSP of the area as well as the Additional Advocate General had appeared before the Jharkhand High Court. Now the Supreme Court has also taken suo motu cognizance, but has asked the Jharkhand authorities to give a report on the investigation done so far by next week. Now, what is also important is that the Chief Justice's bench has observed that this is not a sole incident where such an attack has happened. It has noted that there have been other attacks on judges and lawyers who are fighting very important cases or are hearing important cases, and it is a duty of the state to protect the officers of the judiciary, and that is why it has also indicated that notice could also be issued to other states as well in the next week when the matter comes up for hearing once again. So this now has a much larger ramifications as concerns have been raised. Yesterday, remember, when this matter was mentioned by the president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, who asked the court to take cognizance of the matter, at that time the court had said that let us wait and see what Jharkhand High Court does. But this morning, suo motu cognizance has been taken. The Jharkhand authorities have been asked to file a report, and the court has very clearly indicated that this does not seem to be an isolated incident.
Yes. And could it also in many ways, spread any sort of fear, so to say, about security and safety for the judges? Anisha Mathur is going to track all the latest on that. It's important to tell our viewers what precisely is this case. Now, judge in Jharkhand, Uttam Anand, died after he was hit by an auto rickshaw while he was out on a morning walk. The auto rickshaw, otherwise going straight, appears to have swerved deliberately before literally mowing him down. My colleague Satyendra Kumar with the latest on that.
A horrifying incident. A gory death of a judge on CCTV camera. This Dhanbad judge out on a regular morning jog only to be mowed down by an auto. But it may not be an ordinary road mishap, but a calculated murder. The entire horror caught on camera shows the judge Uttam Anand jogging on a lonely stretch of road. Suddenly, a speeding auto emerges out of nowhere. The auto initially seems far off from the judge, who is oblivious and going about his routine. Suddenly, the auto sharply swerves to the left and hurtles towards the victim. It mows him down, and as the man falls on the wayside, the driver speeds off, leaving the critically injured man behind. Uttam Anand, a district and sessions judge in Dhanbad, suffered critical head injuries and declared brought dead at the hospital. The shocking video has now opened a can of worms. It has emerged that the judge had recently denied bail to several murder accused close to gangsters. He was also hearing the infamous Ranjay murder case, where the victim was close to former BJP MLA Sanjeev Singh. His family calls it a calculated murder.
ADG अभियान श्री संजय आनंद लाटकर के नेतृत्व में एक SIT का गठन किया गया है और ये पूरे घटनाक्रम की जांच श्री संजय आनंद लाटकर ADG अभियान के नेतृत्व में गठित SIT की टीम जो है वो अग्रतर अनुसंधान करेगी।
इंटेंशनली कोई मारा, ये एक्सीडेंट का केस नहीं लगता है। और इसके लिए हम लोग एप्लीकेशन दे रहे हैं, FIR कर रहे हैं। इसलिए सुनियोजित तरीके से मारा गया है, क्योंकि कोई ऑटो से धक्का लगा आदमी छटपटाएगा, लेकिन देखिए उनको गिरने के बाद स्किल पड़ गए। इसलिए ये कोई दुर्घटना नहीं है, ये जानबूझ करके सोची समझी साजिश के तहत हत्या की गई है।
While the driver was arrested, the owner of the auto claims his vehicle was stolen the previous night.
रात में करीब 3:30 बजे हम लोग उठे तो देखे टेम्पो गायब है।
गाड़ी कहाँ रखते हैं?
गाड़ी बस यहीं पर रखते हैं खड़ा।
कितने बजे तक गाड़ी आप देखा?
करीब हम लोग 11:30 बजे तक जगल थे उसके।
The alleged murder sent shockwaves in judicial circles. While Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramanna spoke to Chief Justice of Jharkhand, the State High Court took up the matter and sought reply from the Hemant Soren government. The opposition BJP and SC Bar Association sought a CBI inquiry.
ये मामला बहुत ही संदेहास्पद है और हमें राज्य सरकार की मशीनरी पर बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं है, तो इसकी सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये एक बहुत ही बड़ा मामला है और ये शायद पहली बार हुआ है इस प्रदेश में कि एडिशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज लेवल के किसी व्यक्ति की हत्या कर दी गई हो।
I am demanding a CBI inquiry because in such matters normally the local police is involved because that is how such a brazen attempt can take place. Then the matter was listed before the Jharkhand Chief Justice and I appeared there as well, and he had called the SSP in the hearing, and he has also promised that very strong action will be taken.
At least 3 people, including the driver, have been arrested. Is this a case of a murder or mishap?
Murder or an accident? Conspiracy or an incident? These are the questions which still remains unanswered after a speeding auto hit Dhanbad Session Judge Uttam Anand that led to his death. The family is demanding a CBI probe. The court is also serious, but the cause of death, whether it is a murder or a conspiracy, will only be revealed after the police completes its investigation. With camera person Rakesh Tiwari and Sithun Modak in Dhanbad, this is Satyajit Kumar for India Today from Ranchi.